Hi friends, it's Kim with Sweet Tasty Creations. I know I've been gone from YouTube for a good while. And everybody, I was having some health issues, but we have figured out finally what's going on. I was sick, and feeling bad, terrible, all of April and into May. But finally we're in June and I feel much better. I found out I had hyperthyroidism. And of course, that can make you feel really bad. And it's the thyroidism that makes everything in your body go too fast. So anyways, I'm feeling better now, but I want to just tell you what's going on around my house. You see all that tile? Well, it's a tile that I absolutely just don't like. I mean, it's been fine for the last 18 years we've been in this house, but we're gonna have it all taken out and they're supposed to start on it today. So over last night, we took all my decor off of everything. I'm standing in my great room. They're gonna take out this wood too, and yes, I know we paid for this to be put in because this used to all be carpet, but we want one look throughout the house. So, anyways, here's my big couch that I normally have all my pillows on, around here. But they're gonna have to take this apart and get it outside or move it so they can get to the wood floor. And then over here, they're taking all this tile out. There's my entryway. And of course, I've got all my decor off because they have to move the furniture. Anyway, so yep, all this tile here. They're gonna have to move my big farm table here. I just don't know how that's gonna happen, but it's gonna have to be moved. Took everything, and I'm talking everything out of this hutch. You wouldn't believe how much stuff I had in here. It was jam-packed. Anyways, that's empty. I mean, somewhat empty. In the little drawers here, I have some, they're like napkin rings that I use certain times of the year. And then these drawers here have some towels in them and placemats and things of that nature. But anyways, yeah, they're gonna have to come in here. Took off everything off of here. So all this wood floor is gonna be gone and all of this floor is gonna be gone. Let me walk through the little gate here. Braxton's outside right now. They're going to do like this right here. When you walk through this gate, this is my little hallway into the kitchen, and I don't have the light on, sorry. This little bathroom here that I've never showed you before, but it's a little half bath. And they're going to take the tile out of here too. And there's the toilet, but anyways, this is a little half bath, and they're going to take all this tile out of here. We're eventually going to shiplap in here. I'm excited about that. And then here's my laundry room. I never did give you a good look at it after I had it decorated, and I'm probably not going to right now either. It's kind of a mess in there. We got Braxton's kennel in there and his dog food. But they're going to take this tile out. I want to do something fun in here. Some kind of fun tile. That'll be really cute. So I got to get busy. I'm going to shut that door. Looking for tile. So here's the kitchen, and I got stuff sitting all over the counters so that we could, because I don't know when they're gonna start. They're not here yet today. But anyways, look at the expansive tile I have. It goes from here. It comes from way down there and then all the way here through the kitchen and all the way through here to the breakfast room and all the way here into my family room. And so we've got everything over there on top of there. Took everything off the furniture except for this lamp because we had to sit there last night when we were watching TV. So we left the lamp at the moment. But yeah, I'm excited because all this is going to be gone. I'm excited about that. And we took everything off this hutch over here. And yes, it's going to look so great. This is the first thing we're doing, taking out all the tile. And I think we're probably putting in luxury vinyl. Which is beautiful. It looks like wood and stuff. I'm excited about that. And then we are going to be tackling the kitchen. I've always wanted a white kitchen. So I think we're going to be doing something in here to do that. And that's the plan. But right now it's a total disaster in here. And I haven't seen them come drive up yet. There's my driveway. My neighbor's cleaning woman's over there. But I just wanted to touch base with y'all and let you know what's going on. My house is going to be a total disaster for about the next well, they're gonna be here all week, this week. Today is Wednesday. They're supposed to show up today, and they're supposed to work today, tomorrow, Friday, I think, on demolition. And then we gotta get something installed. So I have been looking online at, it's Armstrong products. And I think I found one that I'm gonna pick that I'm gonna like. It's a gray. We're looking at like a grayish looking vinyl. And I think it'll look nice. I'm gonna probably get a new rug for in here, make it a little more farmy looking with, you know, something that's lighter color. We're gonna be doing more shiplap, like I mentioned, in the bathroom. And, well, I've got that TV on, darn. Hope that's not in the background and you're listening to it. Anyways, yeah, so that's the plan. I think at some point, I'm going to be painting my bedroom again, or the master bedroom. But here's all the tile. I mean, look how much there is. I mean, we have a lot, and it goes all the way over here. And this rug, of course, I got from Amazon and I absolutely love it. And I want to get something similar to this under that couch set. Now it's gonna have to be really big, and probably it won't be cheap. So I don't know what we're gonna do about that. Because that particular rug, I think I picked up at Lowe's. This one's from Amazon. This other one over here that I have in this area, I think I also got that one at Lowe's. There was some curtains I was gonna put up at one time that had a little bit of that kind of goldy color in them, and I never did do it. But anyway, so that's gonna stay, but maybe not. I mean, if I get the other tile in here and I don't like this, I probably have to do something else. And then of course over here, this is one we picked up at Lowe's too, because they have a bigger selection that I have under this table. That may stay, it may look fairly reasonable on a tile that's gray. So we'll see. But that's what's going on at my house right now. And I think, I don't know if we're gonna leave this alone around this surround here, but I think in the kitchen, let me walk back in here, or in the family room, I think we're gonna use, maybe change that out. And let me show you. I think you have the check, they're not here yet. I hope I can make y'all dizzy. Oh, let me turn this TV off. Hold on, don't listen to it. There, okay. Anyways, over here, I would like them to take all the tile off of here because this is the same stuff that's on the floor. And then we'll do something different here. I think we'll probably leave the mantle and everything just like it is. It's decent. It kind of dates the house, but I kind of would like a beam here, along with our shiplap up there. Maybe a, rustic beam would be nice, and then change out the tile. I'm not quite sure. I'm gonna ask them about that when they're here, the people that are coming to work, whether or not they can handle this tile for me. And then Mike my husband, wanted to know if I could maybe talk to them about taking out our backsplash, because we personally could do it. Here's my backsplash. It looks just like the floor. And, we're gonna get new countertop and change out this and hopefully get new cabinets. I'm not quite sure all that's gonna go. Here's all my stuff. All my cookbooks are in, they were all in, everything was in that's kind of sitting here. Well, except that was on the table. But anyways, all this stuff was kind of over there. Anywho, but that's what we're doing. Gonna be doing some new tile and I'm super excited about it. Anyways, I'll keep you posted on this and I'm glad to be back. I love y'all so much and I've missed you bunches and bunches, you know that. Anyways, I'm hoping they'll turn up, and show up here in a minute. It's kind of late morning. I thought they'd be here by now. My sister gave me a couple tomatoes. Don't these look nice? She's been growing veggies. I haven't done that yet. I was, like I said, I was sick, not feeling good at all during April and May. So anyways, I love you to pieces. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.